This is ABUS EC660. I'm going to use this number 11, try to go on this side of the pins. There's some low lifts. I don't know if I'm going to overset them or not, just go underneath of them. 2 is binding a little bit. Four was binding. 5 is binding. Now 6 is binding. Back to the beginning. 1 went up a little bit. Felt the plug free up just a hair. Back to the beginning. I think 1 is good. 2. 3 is binding. Got a little click out of it. 4 is binding. Click out of that. Got a little bit of plug movement. Right at the beginning. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4, I think, is still binding. Let the plug free up a little bit again. There we go. Tap 6. Got some more plug movement. Five is binding. 5 is still binding. There we go. 5 was a spool, I guess. So I was going on the left side of the pin there. With that small flag, seemed to work better than trying to go here and work around the warding. All right, let's get this thing gutted. Maybe. C-clips can be a pain. Not going to take any chances. I'm going to go ahead and throw a shim in it. So there was a passive pin in the bottom. Not sure where that came out of. It was somewhere in the front. I'm going to have to look at the... It came out of 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Six and 7. So these were just passive. There's key pins. There's one spooled. Well, let's see. There's one. No, there's a couple spooled ones. A couple spooled key pins. Keyway's not too bad. So standard on 1. Standard on 2. Standard on 3. Spooled barrel on 4. Another one on 5. And a regular spool pin on 6. Now, those are some weird looking spool pins there. That's like a kind of like a barrel pin. This thing's like a double T pin, and then just a standard spool pin there. I don't know. I never picked this lock before. Never seen ABUS pins like that. So there's where the passive pins are, and that's for the key pins. They're opposing, but passive pins do not affect the picking at all. That is the ABUS EC660.